Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Corsair ONE PC and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. If this, if this PC is lagging or freezing or just like hopelessly bogged down with malware and stuff like that, we can get a lot of these issues fixed by doing a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, because this is going to wipe everything off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If just for whatever other reason, if you're selling it or whatever, and you just want to get everything wiped off back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this really quite simply on this. So we are going to need to have it hooked up to a monitor and keyboard and stuff like that. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and turn the computer off, and then we're going to go ahead on the keyboard and we're going to press and hold the F8 key, and then we're going to boot up the PC, boot it up, turn it on while holding that F8 key, and that will take us until the recovery menu opens. Once the recovery menu opens, we can choose the troubleshoot option, and then from the troubleshoot option we can select reset this PC, and then you can select from there, you can actually select whether to do the reset by keeping the files on the hard drive or removing the files on the hard drive. Once you select that, it will reset everything to the factory out of the box settings.